This is what my LIFX Z strip is doing. So the instructions basically say you're supposed to unplug it 5 times real fast. Well, do it 3 times, then wait 10 seconds. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm waiting 10 seconds now, so let's do it 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I should say that I've done this probably 24 times, and I've done it where I waited a good second to 3 seconds even between each of the 5 power cycles, and it still does this. This is all it ever does. It does reset it so it shows in my Wi-Fi networks, but it never Hi, hold on, baby. It does show up as a new Wi-Fi network, but if I connect it, it just continually does this even after I set it up. It never does anything. The other strip with a hard reset works perfectly, and no matter if I put it as the first strip or the second strip. So yeah, this thing is screwed up, in my opinion. And hold on, I'll show you. So if I just even unplug this, hold on, I'm plugging in the other strip. Other strip, cycle the power. That works as expected. And if I plug the faulty strip into that strip and cycle power, what do you think's going to happen? That one. And we'll put the faulty strip first this time. Okay, so the faulty strip is first. We'll cycle power. And now both flash continually. So it seems that this faulty strip here is affecting the good strip. If it's just the good strip, it works just... Sorry, I wish I could do this with one hand. But I can't. Yeah, so the good strip works again. So it's just this strip is bad.